The way I think about a studio setup is that it's an instrument. I haven't got instruments. It is together an instrument, particularly if I'm working on my own, because what that does is it simplifies what you're using, right? If you think of your studio setup as a collection of stuff, then you just want to get more stuff, right? And it just becomes incredibly overwhelming. What am I going to use today? And you have to make a whole load of decisions before even ever making music. Whereas if, let's say you play the guitar, that is the kind of situation that we want to get to with our studio, where you just turn it on and you're just playing it, because then you get very good at using your setup when you start thinking about it as an instrument and not a collection of stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm reducing the overwhelm, I'm reducing the confusion, and I'm just focusing on a minimum number of instruments so that number one, I can just get going immediately. Number two, I can get much better at those instruments. So in other words, you make much more progress and you'll get much better at using those things.